Ever found yourself struggling with slicing fruits evenly? Or perhaps you dread the tedious process of straining cooking grease? What about the hassle of cleaning the microwave? These are common challenges that many of us face in the kitchen. But what if there were smart gadgets designed to tackle these very issues? Get ready to discover 6 innovative kitchen gadgets that not only solve these problems, but also come with smart technology to make your kitchen experience more efficient and enjoyable. In this video, we're going to count down 6 such innovative kitchen gadgets that promise to make your time in the kitchen more productive. So let's start. At number 6, OXO Baker's Dusting Wand. The OXO Baker's Dusting Wand is used to sprinkle things like flour or cocoa neatly. A half-sphere shape helps spread stuff evenly. You can open and close it with one hand by twisting it. It has a lid that snaps on so you can fill it ahead of time and not make a mess. This is good for people who bake a lot. You can use it for different things. It's good for putting flour on a table for baking, making pizza, or adding cocoa to coffee. It helps you do these things without making a mess and very accurately. At number 5, Stainless Steel Watermelon Slicer. The stainless steel watermelon slicer is made to easily and efficiently cut watermelon. Unlike regular knives, this slicer is shaped to cut the fruit with less waste. It's made of strong stainless steel, so it lasts long and stays sharp. The blade is curved for smooth, one-move slicing, and the handle is comfy to hold, giving you better control. You can also use it for other melons like cantaloupe and honeydew. Cleaning is easy. You can wash it by hand or in the dishwasher. This slicer is good for different situations. It's great for quickly serving watermelon at summer parties or picnics. If you like to plan meals, it helps you cut watermelon fast for the week. It's also useful for making fruit salads or smoothies. At number 4, Talisman Designs Bacon Bin Grease Strainer and Collector. The Talisman Designs Bacon Bin Grease Strainer and Collector is used for handling cooking grease. Instead of using a jar or can, this gadget strains and collects grease in a more organized way. It's made of heat-resistant silicone, making it durable and safe. A built-in strainer separates solids from the grease for cleaner storage. The bin can hold up to 1 cup of grease, reducing trips to the trash. A tight-sealing lid keeps odors in, making it more hygienic. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This tool is not just for bacon. It's useful for cooking meat, frying, or sautéing. The collected grease can be reused, offering a no-waste option. The lid also allows for long-term storage without bad smells. At number 3, Maximatic Hyper Chiller. The Maximatic Hyper Chiller is specialized in chilling your drink quickly without watering it down. One of its best features is its speed. It can make hot drinks like coffee cold in just 60 seconds. It does this with a special stainless steel chamber that helps it cool things quickly. The gadget is made from safe and durable food-grade stainless steel. It's also easy to take apart for cleaning. This tool is not just for coffee. You can use it to quickly cool wine, juice, or even broth. It's a handy tool if you want to chill drinks fast without losing their flavor. At number 2, Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. The Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner cleans microwaves easily. Instead of scrubbing or using strong chemicals, you just fill this gadget with water and vinegar and put it in the microwave. The heat makes it produce steam that loosens dirt and stains, so they're easy to wipe off. The gadget is made of safe, BPA-free plastic, and its design helps steam reach all parts of the microwave. This is really useful for people who use their microwave a lot and don't have much time to clean it. It also means you don't need to use harmful chemicals, so it's better for the environment. At number 1, Butefo 8-in-1 Kitchen Tool. The Butefo 8-in-1 Kitchen combines 8 different kitchen tools into one. It's great for people who want to save space or need a tool that can do many things. This tool includes a funnel, juicer, grater, egg cracker, shredder, can opener, egg separator, and measuring cup. Because it's all in one, you don't have to keep switching between different tools, making your work easier. It's made from strong, food-safe plastic, so it's safe and long-lasting. The tool also has a non-slip grip and clear measurement markings, making it easy to use. Whether you're making a meal, juicing fruits, or opening cans, this tool can help you do it all more easily and quickly. It's useful for anyone who cooks, whether you're a beginner or an expert. We've just gone through a detailed look at 6 innovative kitchen gadgets that bring smart technology right into your cooking space. These gadgets offer solutions to common kitchen challenges. They not only make tasks easier, but also introduce a level of efficiency and convenience that traditional tools simply can't match. If you found this information valuable and are interested in making your kitchen a more efficient and enjoyable place, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from these smart kitchen solutions. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future videos.